is okay. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia and in this video I will talk about 25 ways to be a better human being. So let's get started. Be grateful for the little things like the sun on your skin. Smile more. Say thank you more often. Don't take your partner, your friends or your family for granted. Leave your comfort zone more often. Read more. Offer your seat in the train or something to an elderly person. Be friendly all the time. You never know what the other person is dealing with at the moment or which battle they are fighting right now. Be more patient, especially while driving. Don't throw your trash into nature. Please use the trash can. Same applies to cigarette ends. Complain less. Rather appreciate what you have. Don't interrupt the other person while they are talking. Listen to them completely till they are done. Walk as much on the left side or the right side of the sidewalk as you can, so that other people can walk past you. And please don't stop in the middle of the road, so that the person behind you doesn't run into you. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself only with yourself. Be open. Communicate your feelings. Reflect on your behavior regularly. Accept other opinions. Don't be a know-it-all. If you think you know better, hold it back. Try to avoid arguments where you can. Arguments are completely useless. They just make the other person consist more on their opinion. Instead, give the other person appreciation, agree with the other person, and admit if you're wrong. Be interested in other people. Stop talking only about yourself. Try to learn something new all the time. Try to be more environment friendly. And last but not least, try to work on yourself constantly. Try to improve yourself. And here you have it. These are my 25 ways to be a better human being. I hope this inspired you to improve yourself, and if you at least take one thing, or let's say 5 things from this video, and you can incorporate it into your life, then I'm very happy. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. The trash can. Same applies to... okay. Siri, shut up.